they can get rid of either one of them, it's going to be as good as gold.
Oh, it's in the air. Is it safe? Is it safe? It is just. But the right thing happens for Lahore.
He's eyeing the big shot here. That's to completely close out the deal. 8 from 5 balls.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Brave too. Slower ball.
But Wisa, let's not undermine his performance. He's played beautifully in this partnership.
Oh, inside out. Skipper's there though. In that hot spot of long off. Shoaib Malik does well on the
200. Plays almost 200.
Love this game. And another miss hit. Gonna have to hustle for 2. He slips, does De Villiers. Jeez, he is so quick.
Christian, and so far so good. So a boundary needed from the last 2 balls.
Oh, get down, the keeper has. Are we looking for a champagne supernova rover? Could there be one here in match 10? 3 from 1. Oh.
This is top quality stuff. This is great bowling under pressure. He had and he's delivered so far. So this is it now. Qalandars need 3 from 1 ball.
2-2-2.
एक बॉल पे 3 रन चाहिए.
2 for a tie.
So it's got to be a slow ball again on that middle leg side. Got to repeat the effort again.
Fans are loving this.
और cricket